Hello everyone, today we're going to make an easy veg starter which is Hare Bhare Kabab. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I have taken 3/4 cup of frozen green peas. You can also take fresh ones and boil them. Mash it nicely. I have grated 3 boiled potatoes. I had boiled these potatoes in salt and water. I have taken about 120 to 150 gram of spinach. I'm just blanching the spinach by placing the spinach leaves in boiling water. Keep it in for about 60 seconds or so and remove it. Drain as much water out of it as possible. I'm just going to chop it. In a bowl, add the grated potatoes, the mashed green peas, chopped spinach, adding 2 teaspoons of green chilli paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mango or amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 4 tablespoons of roasted gram flour or besan. I basically took the regular gram flour and roasted in a pan for a few seconds. Mix everything, adding 1 teaspoon of salt or add as per your taste, half cup of chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything nicely. Form ball between your hands and then flatten it. I'm frying it on a medium heat. If for some reason your kebab breaks apart in the oil, it could be because of 2 reasons. Either your oil is very hot or you need to add more gram flour. Serve it with either tamarind chutney or coriander yogurt chutney. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to my channel.